Today we have a video from Crime Scrutiny, and the title of the video is Flirty DUI Diva Gets Distracted by the Handsome Cop.
We got a report of an accident. Did somebody hit you or you hit somebody?
Probably hit me. What happened?
Well, that's what we're trying to find out.
So you could actually see the hitch mark on her bumper.
Okay.
And like right here, she probably dipped down a little bit.
So you don't even know who hit who?
I didn't hit nobody, man.
Then how'd you get damage on your car?
My car been damaged all my life, baby.
So you don't know what
And
happened?
I do know exactly what happened. The way it happened, I don't know how to say it no more. Y'all looking at all the damages on my car already has damages.
So you're saying that a accident did not occur?
I gotta let everything go. I can't speak no more.
How much alcohol have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing. I don't drink and drive.
We're gonna do a few tests, okay?
Which one do that crazy stuff?
I'm not sure what you mean by crazy stuff. We're gonna start out pretty simple, okay?
It's really like serious?
Yes.
So what do you want me to do, officer?
The letter D as in David to the letter T as in Tom, without singing and without skipping any letters. Okay, well this is step one in showing me you're not impaired.
I'm be actually serious. I need to stop laughing. Because I think about my dad. I'm sorry.
1,
Man.
2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you paying attention?
You're not doing that to people.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So put the hand back up.
You're not touching my fingertips. You're touching yours.
Show me one more time.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You didn't say 5. You said 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You counted her backwards. Come on, hit me one more time.
Hold on. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. And I'm sober as a fuck. Wait, hold on. Hey, I'm getting a DUI because I failed. Wait, hold on. I got you. What you said? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's what he said, right? Hold on, let's run it back.
You're not doing that to people.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Are you paying attention?
You're not doing that to people.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So put the hand back.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. But hey, if they went off my first time, hey, I'm failing. Yeah.
You're not touching my fingertips. You're touching yours.
Show me one more time.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You didn't say 5. You said 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You counted her backwards. Come on, hit me one more time, man.
Last time I'm gonna show and last time I'm gonna explain and demonstrate, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3. You did 4. You did do 4 twice.
All right, why don't we go ahead and step out? Let's do the silly stuff outside. I'm gonna move my finger back and forth in front of your face. I want you to follow it with your eyes and don't move your head. You understand that?
Okay.
All the way over here. Don't look at me. Look over my fingertip.
Oh, man. All right, start that over. Because you ain't say don't look at you.
I've told you that many times. Look at my
I
fingertip.
don't look at you.
Up here.
Now, hold on. You can understand. I'm going to look at him. He's handsome and stuff. All right, let me stop.
Right here.
Serious.
Right up here. You gotta keep looking at my fingertips.
Just do that too. I'm so sorry. When I look at your hand and I see it moving, it's looking real good, officer. You know you talking to, you looking real hard.
But you're looking all over the place instead of at my fingertips.
All right, let's get it right.
I'm trying to finish this up.
Hold on, let's get it right.
She said, your finger's looking real good. This is a funny interaction. I know the cop is annoyed or whatever, like the one that's doing the exercises and stuff, but it's funny, okay? She's going to jail, but this is lighthearted. It's funny. Look at the cop behind, like he's laughing, like, yeah, she said, yo, boy, your finger's looking real good. Might be able to do some things with that.
Tell me that I cannot look at you. I'm so sorry. How you going to tell somebody to say that when you look handsome? All right, let's be for real. All right.
Can we try to get through this here?
Oh my God, I want to get through it.
I'd love to get through it. Next test we're gonna do here is
She want to get through.
what's that?
Go ahead.
You rather my partner does a test for you?
No, who number?
That's not what she asked.
That's not what I asked.
All right.
Wait,
Next
what
test
she
we're gonna
asked?
do here is called
What
the
she
walk and
asked?
turn.
All right, let's be for real. All right.
Can we try to get through this here?
Oh my God, I want to get through it.
I'd love to get through it. Next test we're gonna do here is
Number I can get.
what's that?
Go in here.
Would you rather my partner does a test for you?
No, who number?
That's not what she asked.
That's not what I asked.
All right. Next test we're gonna do here is called the walk and turn.
She trying to get put through the mattress. She said, yo, can we get through this here? Yeah, she said, yeah, I'm trying to get through there. She trying to get put through there, man. Yo, this is so funny. I'm not gonna
Oh
lie.
my goodness, y'all want me to walk this?
I need you to turn right there. Perfect. We're gonna imagine that there's a straight line running right down the pavement in front of you. Okay? Stop.
I'm a
I didn't ask you to walk nowhere yet.
Oh, okay.
We're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line while keeping our hands at our sides, looking down at our feet, and counting each step out loud. Like so. 1, 2. Wait.
Can't do it.
I'm re-explaining it.
I ain't not too.
3, all the way down to 9. Once you've reached 9 steps, you're going to keep your front foot planted to the pavement and turn yourself around with your other foot in a series of small steps like this. So then we're facing back the other way, and we're going to take 9 more heel-to-toe steps back down that imaginary line to the point where we began. You understand that?
Yes. You're like Michael Jackson. You're like Michael Jackson.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
Hey, why don't you go ahead and stop there? Stop there.
I'm so scared.
Turn around.
Not me.
Just like I directed you to. Okay, we'll stop there. We're going to do another one. This one's called the one-leg stand. 6 inches up off of the ground, toes pointed forward. Please don't start yet. You're going to keep your hands down at your side. You're going to look down at your raised foot, and you're going to count 1,001, 1,002.
No, hold on. This is not funny.
No, it's not. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and begin. Look down at your toes and count out loud, please.
10,000, 50,000. You wait a minute. Hold on.
All right, let's do something real simple. The ultimate way for you to show me that you have no alcohol in your system. This is a simple breath analyzer. I want you to take a nice deep breath, put a tight seal around that tube for me, and blow until I tell you to stop. Okay?
What is that?
This is just a breath analyzer. It tells me if there's alcohol in your system or not. Tight seal on there and blow. Deep breath out. Okay? So deep breath in, tight seal, and blow until I tell you to stop. Take a deep breath.
Hold on. Pause. Pause.
You can do this for me or not?
Y'all do
Reality
not
is setting
understand.
You don't
in.
want to do this?
I'm looking for my kids to come back home, and the way y'all giving it, I was just
And
trying
again,
to go back.
this is showing me if there's alcohol in your system or not. Okay? You're saying you didn't have a drop of alcohol tonight. This is your ultimate way to prove it.
If I refuse it, my babies ain't coming back home.
So that's no?
What did I do for
All right,
real?
put your hands behind your back. You are under arrest for OVI.
You have any medical conditions we need to be aware of?
Yeah, I'm fucked up right now. After this.
I know. Raise yourself up. You got to be all the way over in the seat.
Damn.
One of these is unopened.
Oh, there's another one over here.
Oh, so an open container too?
Yeah, right here.
Yep.
Hold on a second.
Antoinette was arrested on charges including operating a vehicle under the influence, hit skip, failure to maintain an assured clear distance, refusal to submit to a breath test, driving with a suspended license, and driving with an open container.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I think, you know, we seen in the beginning, it was all lighthearted fun, you know, everything was, you know, it was good, you know, but towards the end, she realized that reality is setting in. And when that breathalyzer came, yeah, she said, this ain't funny anymore. You know, this ain't, oh yeah, things is getting real. Things is definitely getting real. So it is what it is, man. But this was a funny interaction. I think it was, you know, it was funny.